Hello. So BNX Phoenix is a crypto exchange platform. As they mentioned out here, buy and sell crypto in a minutes, just a world largest crypto exchange. So you can see the block 3 is now going on and the price of BNX token, which is the native token of BNX Phoenix, which price is $1.1 and the finished price is 1.2. And for that the BNX left to go to the next block is 97,923, and you can see the total supply for saving and total remaining supply and total block out here. It's all things are clearly mentioned out here and best cryptocurrency rate, and according to them they will give you the best rate for cryptocurrency. So in BTC market you can see the BNB slash BTC means the pair, and you can see the price at here. And here you can see BNB BTC, BCH BTC, BSP BTC, all things are listed out here. And if I show you the Ethereum market, and you can see the in Ethereum market they will give you the last price, 24-hour change, 24-hour high, low, and 24-hour volume. All things are clear. And if you scroll down, and then you can read the information of this website and also about page at here. And here ecosystem white paper, binary option, forex trading, all things are here, and this is in coming soon, so you can check those information are there. So I will give you registration link for this website. You need to click on that and fill your username, email address, password, and confirm it to register in this website. After registration you need to go to login page and you need to fill your username or email address. That I use my email address to login, and I need to use my password as well. After that you need to verify that you are not a robot, and after that you can log in. Wait a few minutes. After successful you need to click on sign in. After filling all the details, let me sign in again. So it's taking time due to low internet connection speed. So now I successfully logged in to this platform, and here you can see the bnxphoenix.com/dashboard/index page. So here is an announcement. You need to read this announcement before starting your work. And for more information, I want to inform you that before doing any work you need to complete your KYC, so that you can trade or deposit or withdraw. You can do any type of function after KYC. For this is for the security reason. And in main page you can see the BNX token price and the Ethereum price and Bitcoin price and the earned profit you can see it here. And in wallet section, for if you want to deposit Ethereum, then you need to first create or generate a Ethereum address so that you can deposit into that address. I already generated the address, that's why it's showing this type of address. And here you can see the convert, invest, and my account section and affiliate section. In affiliate section you can get a refer link through which you can refer your friends, and at the time of registration you can get some bonus as a welcome bonus. So let me show you the invest platform where you can invest some BNX Phoenix token, which from which you can get some profit. And here you can see the 9 type of investment plan is there. If you invest 100 BNX to 500 BNX, then you will get 5% of interest per month. And if you invest 1 lakh to 10 lakh BNX, then you will get 9% of bonus. Okay, so you need to first of all buy BNX token, then you need to active the plan from here as well. So in my account section you can edit your personal details like all email address, password, or anything. So I logged out, so I informed you all the information. If you face any doubt regarding this, then let me inform. So all the given links and the group link are given in the description, so don't forget to check it out.